In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payroll in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to enter your company and employee information, run your first payroll, handle payroll taxes, and pull the key reports you'll need for compliance and review. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account and heading to Payroll from the left-hand menu. If payroll isn't set up yet, click Get Started. You'll be prompted to enter your business details, including your employer identification number, company address, and tax information. Take a moment to make sure these entries match what the IRS and your state have on file. Accuracy here prevents rejected filings and payroll delays. As part of the initial flow, you can add employees and choose whether to enable direct deposit. Direct deposit is optional but highly recommended because it saves time, reduces errors, and gets paychecks to your team quickly. When adding employees, enter each person's full name, address, and whether they're paid a salary or an hourly rate. You'll also input their tax information from their W-4 so QuickBooks can calculate withholdings correctly. If you're enabling direct deposit, have their bank details ready. Before moving on, double-check tax details and pay rates. Catching typos now avoids corrections later. Next, go to Payroll, then Employees, and click Add an Employee to build out each profile. Fill in the pay rate, select a pay schedule like weekly or bi-weekly, confirm federal and state withholding details, and add bank information if you're using direct deposit. Click Save. Keep your pay schedule consistent so your pay dates and tax deposits line up with federal and state requirements. When it's time to pay your team, go to Payroll, then Run Payroll. Choose the appropriate pay schedule, enter hours for any hourly employees, and review the preview screen carefully. You'll see wages, taxes, and any deductions before submitting. QuickBooks automatically calculates federal and state taxes, Social Security and Medicare, and other deductions you've set up, but it's still smart to confirm totals before you click Submit Payroll. To take care of payroll taxes, go to Taxes, then Payroll Tax. Review the amounts due, and if automatic payment is enabled for your subscription, click Pay. Depending on your plan, QuickBooks can also file and pay these taxes on your behalf. Even with automation, keep an eye on deadlines and confirmations. Finally, for visibility and records, go to Reports and search for Payroll Summary, Payroll Details, and the Tax Liability Report. Download or